Lewis, you were useless in that fight. Do better next time. Why
I need more
are you
sticks.
putting a bed down?
Because my character's like energy is like shocking. So I'm clicking out the rest to bring that back up. Right.
That's the one good thing about this. You can just place your items anywhere.
Yeah.
If you need to build something,
anyway,
you
yeah.
can. Oh, it's hailing.
Yeah. Get the umbrella. Yeah, we got, wow. I can't remember how much it was to upgrade pieces of gear.
40 each item.
Right, yeah.
So we've only got enough for 2, maybe 3. Need to wait for the hail to stop falling.
Yeah.
What colour does it give you if you melt stuff in this realm?
I think it gives you just the white stuff. The
Yeah,
white one, the normal one.
It does,
The
yeah.
regular.
Tested it, it does.
Which I think, yeah, that one uses it for obviously things when we're repairing.
Oh, there's another place over here about us.
Yeah, following. See this blue glow. Oh, they've appeared. There's a wall, cracked wall over it, so clearly that's going to be a another one. Or is it?
Excuse me.
Oh, just found a hidden chest.
Nice.
Got some other cards in it.
What the hell is this? Oh, excuse me. Recovery, I got.
Charm of Force. Yeah, why is this all glowing?
Have you noticed the floating candles?
Yeah, I know. It's like
That
something's
might
missing
be a
where they're
little
supposed to be
bit of
stood
a
on.
bug.
Bit of an immersion.
Right, it's showing us complete now anyway.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, at least we now know that markers actually will know if there's something you're supposed to do there.
Yeah.
Notice it's taken away the gear score number on my thing on there. It's just telling me to unlock the astrolabe card.
I assume we've got to go somewhere specific on this world, in this world, to unlock that.
Ah, maybe, yeah, well.
We did
yeah,
we had to unlock the other one, didn't we?
Yeah, we had to go for that. Had to go for that force field door, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But obviously, we were at the right level to get into there.
We need to go back to that first realm and go through some of the other doors we didn't even attempt to go through.
Well, to see if we can get through it. The pirate door didn't let me in at level 20. What's this one here? Scaffolding.
Oh, here we go in here. Oh, another one. Oh, be careful where you step.
Oh, okay.
That's new.
Oh, he's got traps on the
Look for the glowing squares.
Yeah, I see it. containment structure.
And again.
Oh. Right. There's that there. What's...
Press that one. It was the wrong one.
Okay. Ooh. Sorry, I'm going in with that hammer. Just. Right, is there more of these things? Ah, just went there. Watch out, I just went into one of those traps. There's another one there on the floor.
Is that only that one button? There's got to be more than that.
Oh, ow.
Did you press another button?
More guys have come out. No.
No, nor did
I've
I.
not found another one yet. Or is it just wave based?
Oh, for God's sake, stop
we've only...
stepping in the bloody things, Martin. And again.
Yes, I'll see if there's any other buttons.
No, it's timed. It's just, they're just spawning in.
Ah, yeah. Maybe that button just activates it.
Yeah, because it hasn't relit, has it? So it's obviously just wave-based.
Yeah. Just push it. It's not like you can activate the button again if I wanted to. But...
Oh, up top. That one up there.
Ow. Yeah. What area he is.
Hey.
Aye.
Charm of bounty.
Charm of morale. Ooh.
They're giving that to the wrong person, isn't they? If they think you're going to have any level of morale. I nearly said meow
Yeah,
then.
exactly.
Any level of meow.
Meow. Oh, that's going to be the new thing now, isn't it? Yeah, meow.
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 Right, let's go towards the next one. It's this way.
That way, is it? Right. No, that's it. Diddly.
Oh, it's one of the easier ones at least. Oh.
You say that now. Oh, hang on. Yeah, see the one. Oh, I didn't see the sequence. I just saw the one in glass is the one that's furthest away.
I was seeing the walls that were coming at me, but.
Ah, right. I could see. I could just about see the sequence while we were trying to kick the crap out of these walls. Yeah, I've seen the sequence. Got everything from these. Right. Left. Sorry, that first one there. Then the next one next to it. And then this one over here. Okay. This one's going to give me a settler card.
Hi.
Oh, you two got the endurance thing, didn't you?
I got super jumping is what I've got. There.
Yeah. What did you got? I got something different. I got super endurance. You got different. Yeah. I love the fact that it seems to be different weird like.
Doesn't last for long though, does it?
It gives you so long. As soon as you've got it activated, it just counts down, doesn't it? I better sort my axe out actually because it's a little bit broken.
Come here, bunny rabbit. Multicoloured bunny rabbit. I'm gonna stab you. Come here.
Wow.
Well, it's best to be honest in these situations, right? Oh, piggies.
Oh. angry.
That's it, Lewis. Earn your wages.
Sorry, so I mean that made them hungry.
Oh, you're so funny, Alex. Oh, what would we do without your humour? Oh,
Wow.
speak to your family. They're back again.
Someone's got to make up for it. They're back again. What are they doing here, man?
Feel like they're directly out of the
yeah.
hills have eyes.
No, the ones these like normal ones with the head shape reminds me of the like skinnier versions of the creatures in the what's called that race in Fifth Element. In case you jump up and disappear. Oh, I've got a modest single bed. I don't know what I've just unlocked there, but. Look at you! Look at him go! I take it. Do you just float down? You don't have to worry about your umbrella.
No, it just floats down. Hi guys.
That's right. Ow! I've just walked over a trap. Wrong way.
Is your guy cutting trees down again?
No, we were fighting one of the wattles and it was in the way of the tree while I was swinging my axe. Strange jug. And I have no idea what I've just picked up there either. What else we got?
This way. There's
Say
three
that, the Astro
occupied.
Lab could be on that table, but I say we might as well go do these things anyway, get the points we need.
Well, we need to up our gear score anyway, as well, so we need the points.
Yeah. I love the fact that you've got that jumper thing and you can get in there like, I have to find a way in. Oh, here comes.
Oh,
Ah, maybe I'll try this bit. Oh, there's some creepy crawly down here. I think creepy crawly, sorry guys.
hello. Avon calling. We're here come for our money.
There's something correct. Well, whatever it is has been activated in here, it's just gone. Oh no, it's Echo.
Oh, level 40. Can't do that. I need to repair my axe.
Ooh. Training demo. Training
Demo?
dummy. I'll try that. Demo.
Trading
yeah,
demo.
apparently I'm spelling dummy with demo now.
Oh, down.
Demo.
Down the bottom.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's on the way down. The moment you wish you had a grenade.
I
oh,
fell.
hang on, mate, you just knocked him back down there. That's brilliant. Every time they keep running up here, the other two keep knocking him down.
Graceful like a butterfly.
You know what? While you've done that, I'm going to take the stairs.
So you're going to take the boring way?
Well, I could have bought this.
What the hell's that? He
Could have found some sulphur.
Is that what that is?
That one, yeah, that one. I'll just pick it with that. Yeah, with the yellow tinge of sulphur. Don't know what that other height and hang on, we'll go here.
Oh, there's another one.
Abundance infusion. Stealth. That's the same thing that you got earlier on, Horn.
Oh, it's even deeper to go.
Yeah, it's going deep and down. Maybe. Oh, I wonder if it's only to a boss then or something for an extra.
Oh.
Or not.
Or not.
It's where it's just a caved in.
Oh, so there's a mining point here, but obviously not a high enough level to mine it.
What's this one here? I don't know what this is. It's great it says ore, but it doesn't tell me what ore it is. Oh, nickel. Just pick up some nickel.
How are you high enough level to harvest that?
This one just said it came up in green. I've got the same one as you got.
I think you've been cheating all the good materials, haven't you?
Yeah, completely. I need to consume that.
Oh, found a chest. I found another one of those things to build a gate with.
Oh yeah. Just a bit empty, so well, maybe I should put stuff on back for the character. Oh no, you're still there.
Oh, another chest. Ah, my ballerina things run out.
You know, your floaty magic skills are gone. Found some coal.
Oh, what's it? Oh, 200. We definitely can't harvest that. Are you sure? Someone's harvested this. This was not harvested when I came down here.
Which one? Where? Oh no, I'm following your guy here. Where are you?
Are you sure you ain't got a cheaty
there.
pick? Oh no, didn't you do some work to your pickaxe? Didn't you put a...
Only durability. No, I haven't. It's a pickaxe. Yeah, durability is on the pickaxe.
So what level is your pickaxe then?
Oh, wait a minute. Where the? How do I? Hang on. So, oh yeah, he did. Yeah, because it's uncommon. It's 42.
Right, I need to upgrade my pickaxe.
Yeah. Right, that's right. Yeah, because what was it? You did two things yesterday, didn't you, on your character?
No, I
did
my
the piece of clothing and the
just
pickaxe.
Just trousers.
Oh, the trousers.
Just my trousers.
Right. So long as you go, so basically, as long as you go up in the stages, then if you make it uncommon, then obviously it does the. Right, that makes sense. Yeah, I get it now.
Right, this way then.
Yeah, well, if you didn't say that, I wouldn't have even thought about it. That explains it now. Has been released.
Coat rat.
Can't say it. Oh, coat rat. What do I mean? Like...
All those coats that we don't have.
Yeah. Well, going by this Wasp story, whatever they're trying to lead you to, I'm wondering if it'll lead you to that Wasp part before you start then being able to find things out in the realms, maybe. Like I said, I think we're still doing these like first Wasp stages. Oh, whoa, where's these guys So giving us a weighted card. And not sure what that's giving me.
Right, look for the anchor.
Head for the anchor. Well, I'm over here, mate.
You insult to anchors.
Wow.
So what was that? The Yanker?
He's placed a marker. There's some markers you've got that you can place down. They've got different symbols, and one of them is an anchor.
Oh, okay.
I said follow the anchor, but you said I'm over here. Because you thought it was wanker.
He does like to yank it, doesn't he?
He yanks on a lot. I know
Wow. What are you lot? Field of view.
Buzz, I think I found the big place we need to get to.
Hey, you found a big place.
Look out there. Is there, unless that's the one we've already been to.
Hang on.
I don't think it is.
I noticed there seems to be a house out there. Oh,
Oh,
right,
see order.
yeah, I don't know about that building. Amphibious card. I think it's there's something about endurance again.
Belting bucket. No, we haven't been here yet. This is a new one. Right, guys.
Oh yeah. Geronimo! It looks like it's like the other one with the
I'm down.
but like a wave based. Oh crap. Oh,
Ah, see? You need to take your cues from Lewis. At least Lewis comes and helps me.
he was over there fighting the others.
Lewis can pick me up. What a true companion
I'm
does.
gonna have words. I'm gonna have words with William though. That nice not doing. I only need to give him the hammer.
Here we go. Come on, Lewis, make yourself useful.
I found the exploding one. Whoa. Have it. Got him. Wait for their mates to come back. I have the high ground again. Right, where are they?
Here they go.
Clearing chart. Yeah. Really went into one of those traps. He went back down there.
Getting cold.
Guessing we got one more wave.
I love the fact you can just take out your torch and you instantly warm up.
Yeah, it doesn't take time to just... Here they come!
Hey.
Charm of endless fishing. I feel like I can hear more out there, but they're not in here. Where's... I wonder if this is more outside around the corner or is it around the back of it, or are they just falling in something? Out here.
Been there outside.
Yeah, I don't know where they are. But I thought they were, I'm just checking here. They're not here. I think they may have... Oh, I can see the explosion in the wall. I wonder if they've actually spawned into a different room or something, or somewhere offset. Because I can hear him closer here.
That'd be funny.
This is a secret. This is a secret door. Oh, hang on. What's one over here then?
Ah!
Jeez, mate.
Just been attacked.
Oh, there's another one. I've just dealt with those two out here. I can hear it. I just can't. Ow. Oh, apparently that trap thing ain't too bad, but all that trap does is just slows you down, apparently.
No, it hurts you as well.
Oh.
Does it hurt me?
I probably did actually. Now I just noticed my health had dropped because I saw the other status effect. That's not much they can do about it. Ow.
Right. We've visited everything down this end of the map then. It's
Right.
highlighted.
Where's...
That's the next one. The globe I've put down. Right at the top of the map.
Right. What do we do here? Do we go past where we have our basing? See what we can put together?
Bad guys.
Yeah. I wonder if it's because it's night time, that's why they're coming out more. Maybe. Oh, we got more chasing.
Keep going.
Run.
Ah, there's more spawning.
Yeah, so I wonder if it's to do with the night time then, because they seem to come out quite a lot more, don't they?
Yeah.
That's a lot of wolves. And I've just overflow.
Where's our base?
Ow. That's what I'm trying to figure out where that was.
Throw those stinky bollocks bloody things at us anymore. I'll follow the top hat, that's where our base is.
Not back yet. I've got a wolf up me back. Actually,
there's a hole in a cave over here. A hole in a cave? Hole in a mountain. Shut up. No one asked you.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Did you just see that spider you've got? There's 2 spiders after you right now.
Oh my god!
Sorry.
I'm poisoned. I'm poisoned. Help.
Yep, I'm trying, but I'm kind of busy with our friendly neighbours.
Stop with the excuses, Butters.
I think I can hear a spider.
Oh, got it.
I'm on the way.
Oh, that's 100. No, we're not going to break that. Oh, bear! Bear! Bear!
Bear! Oh, yeah, angry bear. Angry bear. What's this material here? Right,
Oh, there's a bear and a spider
yeah,
fighting
mate.
in here.
Nice.
Ah, shit, spider!
Oh, how do I switch to the right tool?
Bloody hell, they're vicious.
Number 2. Right,
Seems to only be good for mining in here.
yeah. There might be caves on our original map as well. Right, and you drop some stuff off into this guy because I'm overloaded.
We're nowhere near a top hat yet either.
Right, come on now, run. Yes, I can. Come on, run. Get around here with you.
I swear that using the torch makes it worse. It's good for keeping you warm.
Are you in in first person view as well? I'm actually.
Yeah, first.
Let's have a look. Yeah, you don't really see much of a head in the way. Oh. Yeah, it's like it messes with the. Oh no, wrong button. Wall again. The amount of like meeting what's it called? Oh, here
Oh
comes
my
the friend.
god. It's like constant in this world. Unless it's level based, it just seems to constantly come at us.
No, well, this is the first time we've actually been running around at night. I tried to see what happens when they come near the bases.
Nearly back.
Well, at least we've got enough things to make for stuff and flip out of that lot. Run. What he said.
Skybox is cool.
Oh my god, there's loads of them chasing you. They're running next to us.
Oh, nice little headshot. Oh my god, you got a big sword.
Yeah, the big one with like almost like a shield as well, or whatever he's got.
It's a big ass sword.
Jesus. Oh my god, they're just constantly coming.
Let's keep going, keep moving.
Let's go. Come on.
More are spawning.
Yeah.
We're nearly back.
Let's go, let's go. Oh shit. That did not work. It did not work.